What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to reset the engine oil filter light on a Nissan Armada. Let's get started. Okay guys, now first things first, you want to go ahead, get seated in your car, close the door, put your foot on the brake, and press the button to start just like you would normally. Okay, and then we'll see here very shortly the little reminder for our engine oil. Yep, there it is, oil and filter. So what you want to do is use this little arrow button here to dismiss it for now. Okay, and then you want to keep using these arrows on the side, on the left side, to scroll through all the menu options until you get to this one that says settings. Okay, you want to use this button now to push it down, to keep scrolling down until you get to maintenance. Then once it's highlighted there, you want to push down. Let's try to focus here. You want to push down on this, okay, and then it'll take you to this screen, oil and filter. Again, you want to press down and say okay, and then you can see we are 5,000 miles over. We're at 10,100 miles out of 5,000. You just want to go down and hit reset and hit okay again, confirm reset again, push down and hit yes, and it's reset. Okay, and then if we turn off the car, open the door, pretend we're getting out, get back in, foot on the brake, start it, you'll see that that message no longer shows up. So we can dismiss this one. Let's wait a second. Yep, and it's all gone. All right, well guys, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helped you guys save a bunch of money. If it helped you, please help me by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that all out of the way, I will see you guys next video. Take care. Bye-bye.